Well, I'm getting ready for Christmas. Decided to do a cold start of the 94 lawnmower. Hasn't been started in about a week, so about to start it up in a minute. It's got the lawnmower, 12.5 horsepower, bricks and straight. And when I came out here, I want y'all to see a piece of ice I found. It made a little hole right here where that little thing went through the axle. Huh? Look at that. Looks like a pie. That's hard ass. I just wanted to show y'all. I barely see ice like this. Well, let's start her up. Gotta hook up the fuel now. The reason I do that is because if I leave it in, the gas still go in the carburetor and it'll flood out. And I had it flood out thousands of times and I don't like it. Let's fire it up. Start. I think it's been sitting that long. It started up pretty good. You can depend on your brake thread, like I always said. But I still think this is awesome. I'm gonna get one more view of this. That is awesome. I never seen ice like that before. You can see right here where the inner tube went through. That little hole right, I don't know if you can, right there, that little hole right there.